The Garuda Velocity High-Speed Express 2026 represents a bold new chapter in futuristic rail engineering, standing as a symbol of technological ambition, luxury transportation, and next-generation aerodynamic design that aims to redefine the standards of high-speed mobility across modern nations. Every contour of the train reflects years of precise engineering, wind tunnel testing, and material innovation, merging sleek aesthetics with high-performance capability. At the rear, the distinctive backside structure features a widened aerodynamic tail, reinforced safety modules, integrated LED tail stripes, multi-layered impact-resistant panels, and a sculpted metal frame crafted from advanced lightweight alloys. The rear's smooth curvature ensures minimal drag, enabling the train to maintain stability even at extremely high velocities. The 2026 model's innovative airflow-splitting tail fins guide turbulence away from the body, enhancing efficiency and contributing to the train's exceptionally low noise output compared to earlier prototypes. Inside the luxury white English showroom where the train is displayed, soft ambient lighting highlights its elegant color scheme, emphasizing every polished surface and reflective metallic detail. The back portion showcases meticulous craftsmanship, from the micro-textured coating to the precision-cut ventilation slits designed for optimal heat management. Engineers spent years optimizing the rear design, making sure every bolt, hinge, light cluster, and structural rib serves a purpose, improving performance, safety, cooling, or aesthetics. The power distribution systems hidden behind the rear panels house an advanced hybrid energy module capable of supplying continuous power to propulsion units while maintaining stable electrical flow to all onboard systems. Its advanced diagnostic sensors scan the mechanisms in real time, ensuring that the train operates with maximum reliability. The train's braking systems, partially visible from the back, feature high-compression magnetic stabilizers and heat-dissipating discs capable of handling intense friction loads at high speeds. The interior, though not visible from the rear vantage point, is engineered to match the sophistication of the external body. The Garuda Velocity High-Speed Express 2026 offers passengers a serene, luxurious environment with vibration control flooring, noise-isolating wall structures, panoramic glass windows, and ergonomic seating shaped to reduce fatigue on long journeys. Digital displays embedded within the cabin provide live updates on speed, weather, route conditions, and onboard services. Smart lighting adapts to the time of day, enhancing passenger comfort and minimizing glare. The train's communication systems employ next-gen satellite connectivity, ensuring uninterrupted data exchange across vast distances. In terms of construction, the assembly of the train's rear components involves advanced robotic precision paired with expert human oversight. During the manufacturing process, automated arms carefully align frame segments, weld joints with microscopic accuracy, and test pressure tolerances before each component is approved. Engineers perform quality checks at multiple stages, ensuring that the back of the train meets international safety standards and aerodynamic specifications. The design team prioritized not only function but also visual appeal, shaping the rear profile to create a modern, authoritative look that passengers and spectators can instantly identify. The luxury white English showroom enhances this aesthetic impact, with its marble flooring, reflective surfaces, and controlled lighting environment that amplifies the train's futuristic presence. As observers walk around the display, they can see how the light slides smoothly across the rear curvature, revealing subtle details such as embedded emergency signals, reinforced buffer plates, and integrated maintenance access points. The 2026 model also incorporates an intelligent diagnostic hatch at the rear, allowing quick access to electronic systems, coolant channels, and stabilizer units without requiring full panel removal. This not only simplifies maintenance but also reduces operational downtime, making it a practical choice for high-frequency travel routes. The train's cooling and exhaust channels, located discreetly within the backside architecture, use a filtration-based system that significantly reduces emissions and heat dispersion, aligning with global sustainability goals. The Garuda Velocity High-Speed Express 2026 is more than a transportation vehicle, it is a showcase of what modern engineering can achieve when innovation, sustainability, and luxury are merged with precision. Every detail of the backside design tells a story of forward-thinking ideas brought to life through advanced metallurgy, aerodynamic modeling, and intelligent system integration. The train stands proudly in the showroom not just as a machine, but as a symbol of progress, ambition, and the future of high-speed travel. For nations looking to modernize their transportation infrastructure, this train represents an inspiring benchmark, demonstrating how safety, speed, and comfort can coexist in a single, streamlined masterpiece. The Garuda Velocity High-Speed Express 2026 does not merely move passengers from one place to another, it elevates the journey itself into an experience of elegance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, setting a new global standard for luxury high-speed rail.